What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be unboxing this TOPDON battery tester. The model number is the BT300P. Let's go ahead and check out the box here. Alright, so here are your standard ranges for testing. Simple and easy to use, accurate results in seconds, reverse connection protection, overload voltage protection, loose lead indication, built-in printer. Okay. And then on the back side, we've got the working voltages, temperatures, testing ranges. You can use this on regular flooded, AGM flat plate, AGM spiral, gel, and EFB. Got different language options here. Print test results in real time. All right, let's go ahead and open this up. Okay, so here we have a nice little case. All right, so here's the case. Okay, looks like we've got some extra rolls here. And then on this side, we have the actual unit. And then here is the unit itself. Pretty straightforward. Not too bad size-wise. There you got it. The BT300P Battery Tester from TOPDON. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I'll catch you guys on the next one.